Hey, man. Teezy, talk that shit to him, man.
Free Teezy. Take off.
Till it's backwards, nigga. Hey, free Teezy. Free Teezy. Hey, free Teezy. More money, baby. I got money, baby.
Yeah.
Spot a nigga lacking, pull up on them 30, baby.
Yeah.
Now I ain't shit that you used to. I'm bullin', but I know a couple crips too.
Okay.
They still a mission on this bitch and a coupe too. 12 tried to flick me. Man, I had the oop droop. 12 soldiers with me. Got a couple troops too. 12 freaky freaks. Yeah, one of them your boo too, nigga. Another unknown number. I think my phone tap. How you want the beef and you broke? I don't condone that. Sweep a nigga right off his feet and knock his dome back. Blood looking just like a leak. Send her where home at. Dash call said Teezy got 6 months. Damn Teezy, I just rolled up 6 blunts. Dunk that chopper in the nigga like I'm 6'1". I body, little nigga, I got 6 pump. I'm body. Say bitch, I'm body. Blow that nigga away, they gotta find his body.
Bitch.
Acting up on the block.
Yeah.
Don't give a fuck about a cop.
Never.
Stay pulling up on some ops.
Here we come.
He give it up or
Give me that.
pull up in the drop top, late night me and my niggas. We be cruising, pull up with a Draco, catch a nigga lacking. What you doing? I'm up in big chicken pussy, ain't no more losing. Menace to society, I go crazy with this Uzi. Like lock dog, you better stop dog. 40 to his mouth, leave him with lockjaw.